Okay, so in order to do this, you are going to need a dome wig cap, or to be honest, I just used spandex shorts that I had. It worked perfectly fine. You're going to need weave thread and a weave needle because they're the thickest and the strongest, so it works the best and it'll hold up better. You're also going to need whatever wig you're trying to make bigger and your bundle of choice. Just make sure that the texture and the length match your wig, and you'll also need scissors. Okay, let me just say first that when I first got this wig, I was upset. In this video that you see right here, I was crying because it did not go over my hairline. And this is a size medium. I always wear a size small in wigs, and a medium did not fit. I was upset because I spent almost, $200, and to some that's not a lot, but for people who actually borrow on wigs, that's a lot of money, okay? So it was not going over my hairline, and the part that is right above your ears, like where your sideburn is, my lace wasn't covering that. So it was covering almost everywhere else except that part. So I couldn't find any videos on YouTube of any tutorials of anything that I needed, of how I needed my wig bigger. So I figured I would just make this one to help anyone else, if hopefully this could help anyone else out so they don't gotta be crying like me, because I'm so mad that this wig really had me crying. But yeah, so like as you can see here, it just did not fit my head. So I came up with this idea. I don't know if it's been done before because, like I said, I haven't seen anyone else do it on YouTube, but hopefully this can help y'all out so you don't end up like me. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I had already cut mine before I knew I wanted to make this into a video, but this is like what your wig will look like when it's together, like this. So what you're gonna do is cut along where your lace meets the cap that has the tracks, if it has tracks. If it's just a lace, like a full lace, then you're just gonna have to wing it, girl. But so you want to cut along there to where you want to extend your wig. So now you're gonna take your spandex cap and you're gonna cut it into the piece that you need. Like, I really hope this is making sense. I'm trying to make it make sense as best as I can. So what I did, I took my, well, I use shorts, but I used my spandex and I basically measured that area that I needed widened, and then I cut my short spandex into that shape. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my weave thread and my weave needle, and I'm going to sew the spandex into that area, and that is what's going to extend it. I really hope this makes sense. So as you can see right here, I don't have enough spandex to cover that spot, so I'm just going to sew all across that area, just sewing it all back together. Okay, so now you see how that patch kind of like, widened our wig. So you're going to just do that to both sides. And then when you're done with both sides, you're going to go ahead and then you're going to start sewing your bundle onto the other side of that spandex part, so you don't have just like a random extended bald spot right there. You're going to fill it in with the hair. So, excuse me. You just want to get your bundle, start sewing it. You're basically just going to sew it as if you were making a wig. If you've ever made a wig, you know what I'm talking about. You just sew it, flip it, sew it, flip it, sew it, flip it, turn around and dip it. So I'm just kidding. But yeah, so you're just going to sew your bundle onto that patch. I'm not going to show the whole process of it just because it takes forever, and I'm pretty sure you get the gist of what I'm saying. Okay, but once you're done, it'll look like this. If you see any gaps that are like too big with missing hair, you can just go ahead and sew more on. But see, once you cover like that hair up, you can't tell that you extended it or anything. And look, now if it's, so I don't gotta cry no more because it covers my edges, so now I can wear it and stop crying. I really hope that this video can help somebody out there and not cry and struggle like I was. So if this video helped you, if you think it'll help you, give it a thumbs up. And I really thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.